Hello students, for LCM I am going to give you some tips as we have a sum here. For LCM we will start with smallest prime number as it is 2. If in the box there is any single number, even one number which is divisible by 2, then we will divide it by 2. We get, if we divide 50 by 2, we get 25. We cannot divide 75 by 2, then put it here as it is. In the same way, 225 is also not divisible by 2, then put 225 here. Now, in this line, we see that there is not any number which is divisible by 2. So, we will come to 3. We will divide these numbers by 3. But 25 is not divisible by 3. So, we will put 25 as it is. 75 is divisible by 3. Then we will divide it by 3 and get 25. 225 is also divisible by 3 and we get 75. Students, you can see my video on divisibility test. If you don't know how we can see which number is divisible by which digit. Now we are having numbers here 25, 25, 75. In these numbers 75 is also divisible by 3 now. So we will take it again 25, 25. But 75 is divisible by 3, we get 25. Now there is not any number which is divisible by 3, we come to 5. Next prime number 5. By dividing by 5, we get 5, 5 is 25, 5 is here and also here. Again we will divide it by 5, 1, 1 and 1. In the last we have to get 1 only, remainder. Now LCM, we will multiply these numbers, these divisors which we get 5 into 5. We will multiply these numbers, we get 450. This will be the answer. This is the LCM which we get. Students, if you like this video, please like and share it and subscribe this channel also for more such videos in future. But if you have any query, you can comment me in comment box. I am sure you have understood. Then try a sum I am giving you. Please find LCM of it. I will give this answer in comment box. Okay.